step by step, don't look back. No need to follow tracks, left or right, doesn't matter. Just keep going, bit by bit, slow or fast. It's okay, you're still moving anyway. Just keep